Hello, I'm Matt Malarkey, the director of the DBA program here at the Muma College of Business. In this, our fifth segment of videos, we'll be talking about the admissions and program processes. All cover admissions.
And I'm Grandon Gill, the academic director of the program, and what I will be doing is talking about the requirements of the program as you go through over the 3 years.
So let's talk briefly about the admissions requirements. In section 7, we'll actually go through the detail on the actual application process. The first requirement is 12 or more years of experience in your professional discipline with 5 or more at a senior level of contribution. In some cases, this is at a C-suite or a director level, and in others, it's a situation where an individual makes a significant level of contribution to their organization and can talk to us about that. The second thing is we'll look for a statement of purpose. Why are you pursuing a DBA right now at this stage in your career and in your life? What is your purpose behind the pursuit of a DBA? The third thing that you'll experience is an interview with a member of faculty, typically both an informational interview and an interview with the DBA committee, which is a little more formal. We are looking for your undergraduate and graduate transcripts and a completed application form, which we will talk about a little bit later, but which is here on the website under the preliminary application form for the DBA program. And finally, all of this will need to be done and submitted in order for us to make an approval of your application prior to 1 November and for you to pay the $2,500 research workshop fee in order to reserve your slot for the next cohort.
So what are the requirements of our program? Well, to start with, because this is a graduate program, you need to complete all the coursework in the program with a grade of B or better. Now, there'll be some courses that are pass-fail, so obviously in those courses you just have to pass. We have 72 credits in the program, and you need to pass all of them. You also need to attend 3 research events, and these are normally academic conferences. They might be symposia. If there's some special academic event that you want to attend, then with the academic director's permission, which would be mine, we'll let you do that. But we expect you to attend these things because it helps you develop a clearer sense of the academic culture when you see us in our native environment. Beyond that, you have to complete a qualifying exam a year and a half into the program, and that qualifying exam is kind of a pre-proposal. It's where we get a sense that you've actually learned enough about research methods in order to actually propose a dissertation. Then you need to complete a dissertation. Our program is unusually flexible in terms of the specific nature of the product that you produce as part of the dissertation. It can be a traditional dissertation or a collection of papers. That's what our normal PhD program produces as well, and we're perfectly happy with that. But you might also decide you want to write a practice-focused book, as long as it's informed by research. That works for us. It might be a research-grounded project. In some cases, we've even had participants who want to do projects that they wouldn't necessarily be able to publish. But no matter what the project is, we would expect some sort of white paper that shows us how what you learned about research in the program has effectively improved the way you handled it. Finally, it might be a portfolio of research projects, such as articles, projects, and the portfolio is something that needs to be approved by your committee in advance, but we can be fairly enthusiastic about a dissertation that produces an interesting collection of research artifacts.